So in this video, we're going to talk about coffee varietal. What is coffee varietal? So our coffee varietal comes from Arabica. So I like to explain it as you have two grandparents. So you have an Arabica and a Robusta. And our varietal, Catimor, comes from the Arabica or Arabica version of the two. Arabica tends to be more on the specialty coffee. Robusta tends to be more on the commercial grade, sort of lower grade coffee. The Robusta has more of a caffeine content to it as opposed to Arabica. Arabica, you would find the best coffees to be Arabica type coffee. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot more of these awesome videos coming up soon. Thank you.